Think about this. What if you could stop working years earlier than expected and spend your days exploring the world? Picture waking up in Bali, walking the cobbled streets of Lisbon, or sipping wine in Argentina. Not on vacation, but as your new lifestyle. This video is your step-by-step guide to early retirement and full-time travel. No fluff, no empty promises. Just a real roadmap you can follow, even if you're starting with a normal job and a modest income. Let's begin. Most people think retirement only happens at 65. But that's just tradition, not truth. Real retirement means you control your time, your location, and your lifestyle. And here's the good news, you don't need millions to get there. You just need a plan and the courage to live differently. Ask yourself, what would I do with full freedom over my life? That answer is the fuel. Because once you stop chasing stuff and start chasing experiences, your expenses drop, and your freedom grows. Do you really need? You don't need to be rich. You need to be smart. Figure out your ideal monthly expenses to live comfortably. Let's say it's $1,500 per month. That's $18,000 a year. Multiply that by 25 or 30, and you've got your retirement goal. That's way less than most people think. Now add in a few income streams, remote work, rental income, online business, and suddenly retirement becomes a lot more possible, and a lot sooner than age 65. Let's be honest, freedom doesn't come for free, but it doesn't have to be expensive either. What you need is enough income to cover your lifestyle, not to live like royalty. That's the big shift. You're not trying to retire like a millionaire in Manhattan, you're trying to live well, on your terms, somewhere inspiring and affordable. So let's break down some realistic, flexible income streams that can fund your travel-based retirement, starting today. 1. Remote work or freelance income. If you have a skill, writing, design, coding, marketing, even teaching, you can work from anywhere. Thousands of platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Remote OK connect you with clients across the world. You don't need a fancy degree, just proof that you can solve problems. Even a part-time freelance gig can cover your monthly expenses in countries where the cost of living is low. Work 15 to 20 hours a week, then spend the rest of your time living your dream. 2. Remote jobs with global companies. More companies now offer full-time remote roles. Think customer support, project management, virtual assistant roles. If you can secure a stable remote job paying $1,500 to $2,000 per month, you're set in many affordable destinations. The trick? Keep your costs low, save what you can, and stretch your income in countries where $1,000 goes further than $3,000 in the US. 3. Online businesses and passive income. Start a blog, YouTube channel, digital product, or dropshipping store. Yes, it takes time. No, it's not a magic ATM. But it's a scalable way to build passive income that works even while you sleep. Imagine earning even $500 per month from an online store or affiliate links. That could cover your rent in places like Vietnam, Albania, or Mexico. Now let's get to the fun part. Where can you actually live well, for less? Here are some of the best places where early retirees live comfortably, often for under $1,500 per month. 1. Portugal. Especially in smaller cities like Coimbra or Braga. Mild weather, top healthcare, friendly locals, and a calm lifestyle. $1,300 per month gets you a good life here. Bonus, English is widely spoken. 2. Mexico. Oaxaca, Mérida, and San Miguel de Allende are top picks. Beautiful culture, affordable rent, delicious food. With $1,000 to $1,200 per month, you're living well. 3. Thailand. Chiang Mai or Hua Hin offer low-cost, high-quality living. Street food for $2. Cozy apartments for under $400. Plus beaches and temples as your backdrop. 4. Albania. Europe's hidden gem. Tirana and coastal towns like Vlore offer affordable rent, slow living, and Mediterranean vibes on a budget. $1,000 per month is enough. Seriously. 5. Vietnam. Bustling, vibrant, full of life. Rent an apartment in Da Nang or Hoi An, eat delicious street food, and pay less than $1,200 per month all in. You don't need to be rich. You need to be smart, flexible, and willing to explore the places most tourists overlook. So how do you actually make this happen? Here's your simplified roadmap to retiring early and traveling the world. Step 1. Cut expenses hard. Track everything you spend. Cancel what doesn't serve your goal. This is your freedom fund. Guard it. Step 2. Build a side income. Even $500 to $1,000 a month can launch your lifestyle abroad. Start freelancing. Offer a service. Sell digital products. Test what works. Step 3. Choose your first destination. Pick a country where your money stretches, and do deep research. Check visa rules, expat groups, healthcare options, and neighborhoods. Step 4. Try a test trip. Spend 1 to 3 months in your target country before fully committing. Rent a cheap Airbnb. Live like a local. See how it feels. Step 5. Cut the cord and go. Sell or store your stuff. Cancel the lease. Book the ticket. You'll never feel 100% ready, but momentum is everything. Retiring early to travel the world isn't just a fantasy. It's a real, doable life, if you plan with intention and act with courage. You won't regret the decision to trade the 9-to-5 grind for sunsets in Greece, coffees in Buenos Aires, or motorbike rides through Vietnam. It's not about escaping life, it's about finally living it. So ask yourself, if not now, then when?